In this question, it is given that a crystal has a linear coefficient of 0.00004 and like that 5 and 6 coefficient of cubical expansion of crystal. So we discuss something like non-uniform expansion of object, or we discuss something like anisotropic expansion. That means expansion coefficient is different along the x-axis and along y-axis and along z-axis. So we can write the total coefficient of cubical expansion gamma will be equal to expansion along x plus expansion along y plus expansion along z. So by using that we can write the equation for coefficient of cubical expansion, that is equal to sum of these things 0.00004. Like that we can write 0.5 and we can write 0.6. So if you are adding all these things, we know that we are going to get 0.00015. So this is the value of coefficient of its cubical expansion. So if expansion coefficient is constant, then we can write it is 3 times of alpha. Otherwise we need to write alpha 1 plus alpha 2 plus alpha 3 to find out the value of volume coefficient of expansion.